Shipping is such an important part of running an online store, and customers expect it to be clear, affordable, and reliable. And that's where Shopify really helps. It gives us a few different ways to set things up, from discounted carrier rates to flexible pricing strategies. So let's walk through how Shopify shipping works and how we can make the most of it. For a lot of merchants, Shopify shipping really does help cut costs. That's because Shopify partners with select carriers to offer discounted rates, and the exact savings depend on both your plan and the carrier you use. To give you an idea, in the US, you can save up to 88% on USPS domestic shipping and up to 77% on UPS domestic shipping. And it's not just the US. Shopify shipping is also available in countries like Canada, the UK, Australia, and parts of Europe, with access to different carriers depending on your fulfillment location. If your store is eligible, you can even buy shipping labels right from your Shopify admin without needing your own carrier account. Now let's set it up. Start by opening the Shopify admin. From there, go into Settings, then click on Shipping and Delivery. Under the Shipping section, you'll see the shipping profiles, so choose the one you want to edit. In this example, I'm editing the General Shipping profile. Inside the profile, you can add or edit your shipping zones and rates. Click Add Rate, and the pop-up will appear. This is where you decide how to charge. Since you're setting up Shopify shipping, select Use Carrier or App to calculate rates. At this step, we're choosing the Shopify shipping. Here, you'll see the available carriers. Select your preferred one, and then choose which of that carrier's services you want customers to see at checkout whenever their orders are eligible. Once you've made your selections, click Done. If you'd like to add more options, you can always click Add Rate again to bring in other carriers or services. And finally, when everything looks good, save your shipping profile. From now on, those options will appear at checkout, giving your customers accurate choices while keeping shipping simple and efficient for you to manage. Shopify calculates shipping rates using a few key details: the origin and destination addresses, the package dimensions, and the package weight. All of these factors come together to determine the cost when you buy labels and also when customers see shipping options at checkout. Shopify uses the combined weight of the products in the order plus the default package weight you've set in your shipping settings, which is why it's so important to make sure your product weights and package dimensions are accurate. If they're not, the carrier might adjust the price later. So that's how Shopify shipping works. It gives you access to discounted carrier rates in supported countries, flexible ways to create shipping profiles, and accurate calculations based on your products and packages. By setting up your fulfillment details carefully, you can make sure your customers always see clear and reliable shipping options at checkout.